You've been lied to. Selling websites is keeping you broke. Local businesses, they don't need just another website. They need a tool that brings in real paying customers. So while other people are pushing these $97 a month hosting packages, I'm gonna show you how a simple chat widget turns any site into a $399 a month income stream. And the crazy part is you don't even need to build the website. Now, I didn't even know that this was possible until I was having a conversation with my coach, Andy, all day. He told me that he has clients that only pay him for having a simple chat widget on their site. And they pay $399 a month. And it's all in the way that he presented the offer that made it make sense. Like, oh, okay, that's how you were able to do this. Because he doesn't even do the website for these people. They already had one. They're managed by somebody else. So when he was telling me all this, I'm like, oh my gosh, Andy, can I please hit record so I can share this? Because this is gold. And he said, yeah. Now, while you guys are watching this, I want you to understand what companies this actually works for, because it's not for everybody. So pay attention. And remember, I'm not promising you anything. In this video, I'm showing you a real way someone is using this strategy to make money. This video is for educational purposes only, but I want to show you a strategy that people just don't talk about that's making you way more money than these $97 a month hosting packages that I see all the time. All right, you guys ready to get into this? Check out this strategy. Okay, Andy, I just had to hit record because I want you to tell me again, how did you sell this chat widget for 300 and what you said, $399?
$399 a month. And like this and many others, it's about the offer that you're what are you offering to the customer? So for me, what I offer to my customer is leads. And the
Okay.
biggest challenge that these small businesses have is they have traffic. They just don't have the door that's open. And what I mean by that, if you imagine a mall and people are walking in and out of the mall and your door is closed, how many people are going to walk into your store versus other stores? If your
Mm-hmm.
door is closed and theirs are open. So in the same scenario, when we're looking at website traffic, most small business owners who've been in business for 5 plus, 10 plus years, they already have traffic. They just don't have the systems to make it easy to capture the data. So what I'll do is I'll install the chat widget on the website, and that chat widget, the first thing, it's not gonna say, "Hi, how are you?" It's gonna ask you for your name, email, phone number, and what is the issue or the question that you have. And then I turn on something called internal notification in the sub account inside of High Level. And what that does is for my customer, they get a text message and it says from software name here. So my software name is Progretta, and there'll be a text message that says, "You have a new lead." And then instantly it's working. The investment that they have is working. So I'll go to my clients and I'll say, "Hey, look, install this chat widget on your website. How many leads or how many contacts do you want to get on from your website? How many contacts do you want to get that will make this investment worth it?" And I wouldn't
Okay.
even say contacts. I'll say sales opportunities. So I'll say, how many sales opportunities do you want to get that will make a $399 investment or $497 investment? Now the price fluctuates or has fluctuated because I started at 399. Today I'm at 497. So I would say, how many contacts or how many sales opportunities do you want to get to justify 497? And they'll give me a number.
And
And
that's
then
like basically like their service. So if someone got like this was for specifically for a salon. So if they said like two, oh, if they just got two people that like filled out the form, that would be enough. Is that what you're saying?
exactly. Because if you can capture it, people buy two ways, emotionally and logically. Now, the logical is what helps get the close, what moves the person to close, because it has to make sense. So here's where it makes sense. How much is your average ticket? That's the easiest way to go about this and selling this. How much is your average ticket? The person's gonna say, my average ticket is $460. Okay, great. How many, if you're gonna spend $497 a month with me, how many sales opportunities do you need inside of this system that you're investing in to justify $497 a month? And they'll say, well, if my average ticket is 460, I close one out of every two. So I need four sales opportunities to make this worth it. I said, okay, Mr. Customer, Mrs. Customer, if I can guarantee you four sales opportunities a month, will you sign up with me? Usually the person says yeah, because they already justified it in themselves. And the
Hmm.
person says, yeah, I'll sign up with you. And my instant response is Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover. What do you want to use to get started?
I love it. Now, can you give us an example for this specific one? Can you tell me again or tell us again, how did you even meet her? Because I think that's the biggest question. Like, how do you find people that might be interested in this kind of stuff?
I show up to as many networking events as I can. So I met her at a business networking event, and I was explaining to her what I was explaining to her. She was explaining to us in the networking group about what her business is, what her business does, and I took a piece of paper and I said, Have you thought about chat widgets on your websites? Because the current direction, the current flow that you're taking people is that when they land on your website, is that they have to find the consultation form, then go to a consultation form, or they have to click book now, and that book now calls the salon, and then you have to talk to somebody and ask a bunch of questions and so forth. But what if someone is just driving, or what if someone is late at night, at 11 o'clock at night, and they're interested, they want to book right away in the next couple of days, but the current process, there's so many hoops to jump through.
Hmm.
Instead, if you can make it as simple and as easy as possible just to capture the data, and I explained the value of capturing data, which is the name, email, phone number, also known as a lead, to capture the name, email, phone number of your potential customers is where the starting point is. So that was the first thing I educated her on, and then after that, uh, I asked her how much would if I installed the system inside, and I sold it as a system. I'm not presenting it to the customer as like, here's this basic chat bot or chat widget. Like it's so easy to set up. That's not how I'm presenting it as. I'm presenting it as this system. Would you like to install the technology that would convert viewers into leads? Where a viewer on your website and turn that person into a lead that is ready to do business with you, ultimately, also known as a sales opportunity. Would you like to have more sales opportunities? And if so, how many? So I get very clear on the target.
Yeah.
And now I showcase my confidence in her getting the target with our technology. And she blew past it.
Wow.
She blew past it after she we installed it because people were already going to their website.
Yeah, yeah.
And I saw that. Now this is an established business. This is not
Right, I was gonna say,
a
yeah.
starter. It's very important to understand that you want to sell to established businesses, especially this type of offer, because they already get traffic. They just don't have the right systems. So
Yeah.
I'm just coming in out of nowhere, and I'm just like, hey, you already have traffic coming in front of you. Let me just open up your doors, and I'm gonna charge a fee to open up your doors. Now your doors are open, and you start seeing people coming in, and your response is like, wow, my investment is working,
Right, right, right.
and that creates a customer for life.
No, I love that. Okay. No, that's so cool. So, and the craziest thing about this is that you didn't even design her website, but you would do something differently now. Like what you created for her is something that you wouldn't even recommend that you would do now. What would you actually recommend now?
So what I created for her was before the AI feature, this voice AI feature was a thing. So here on this website, let me just go to her website and show you. Here on her website, what I installed was this chat widget, right? And then so people come in and put their name, email, phone number. I didn't design the website. There's a company that designs salon websites, and this client hired that company. And so they spent months building the website. They got it perfect. I just came in and add this little HTML code that ultimately is this little feature here. But this feature is the start of the sales process. This is so important. The website just gives a lot of information. How much is a short haircut? How much is a medium haircut? How much is a long haircut? Blah blah blah. But
Yeah.
that's not where the sale starts. The sale starts when you're in starting the relationship with the client or the business. This is where the sale starts. So the name, phone number, email, I want to know more is already pre-filled, and the person can come in and ask whatever the question is. They can say, "How much if I bring in both my daughters to get a haircut? Do you give discounts for two people?" And then now this is filled in. I put in my name, email, phone number, and then the business, will get the salon here will get an alert, and they can respond via text message to the phone number. And that's how this system works. Now, what I would sell today is something even better, and it's the voice AI widget, where you can add voice AI on the website and essentially have a representative on your team managing the interaction for you. And you, as the business owner, will get the transcript of the whole entire conversation, and you can create automations. And it's easier to set up, so much more valuable. And what's cool about it is it's new technology. So if someone is driving, the challenge with the chat widget, you I don't know about you, Whitney, but I use my phone when I'm driving. Uh,
Ooh.
when I'm parked, when I'm parked, and so if I'm parked, for example, and I go to a website and I know I gotta leave. When I if I'm parked and I have to type all this information in, like this morning, I'll give you a true scenario. This morning, I leave the gym. My car is getting washed at the gym. So in front of my gym, there's a car wash. So I'm leaving the gym and I have 3 minutes to get to my next appointment. I have a call in 3 minutes. So I usually set myself up that way where like as I'm leaving the gym on my drive home, I have a meeting so that way I have make the best use of my time. So I had a 3 minutes wait downtime. What I did was I paid the guy who was washing my car. I get into the car, and if I want to book an appointment at the hair salon, I would have to go to the website and put in my name, email, phone number, and let them know I want to book appointment. Click send, and then wait for them to respond back to me. Now, even that a year ago, that was high-end technology that
Yeah.
is worth $399 a month. That is worth $5,000 a year. Even that, because it starts the sales process versus a website that just gives me a bunch of pricing and there's no way for me to interact. So that's level one success or a level one value for the business. The next level of value to shorten the gap is if you could actually, your website could actually tell me your price, book an appointment for me, all within less than 2 minutes.
Yeah.
And that's what the voice AI widget does. Where in my parked car, I'm about to drive, my car started, I have 3 minutes, I go to your website and I press the voice AI widget button and I say, hey, yeah, I'm interested in booking an appointment. Can you book an appointment for me? I'm about to get in my car and start driving. Can you book an appointment for me? It's like, yeah, sure. What's your phone number? And
Yeah.
say my phone number. What's your name? My name's Andy. What's your email address? Okay, great. Are you available this date and this time? Yes, I am. Okay, great. I got you locked in. I'm gonna send you a text message confirmation. Anything else? Nope, that's it. That's the future.
Okay, now isn't that cool? Andy literally did a video showing us step by step how to set up this talking widget in like 5 minutes. And I'm gonna put it up in this video right here. Now this works whether you do a website for someone or if they already have their website. I want you guys to use this strategy to help more clients get more leads and so you can benefit too. So I want to put the video here so you guys can watch it now. But if you're still here watching this video, let me know what you think about this strategy. I love to hear from you guys to see who actually sticks around to the end of my videos. All right, take advantage of this strategy and let me know your thoughts.